It's the elevator tour 2016 of Great Wolf Lodge. And as you can notice, we are starting off with the west side first. Uh-oh, I hear somebody. I'm gonna hide the camera. Where we're at, we're gonna listen. That is the motor, folks. Getting caught down. That's where my room's at. Hopefully I'll do a hotel tour this time. I'm looking here at the motor going down. Vertical Systems. While I was uploading these, I didn't remember what the brand was, so I want to get a cat view and get a picture of the brand, so I'll remember. Write down one. Well, actually, we can walk in and get to the center elevator. Guess we'll go down the MPE, down one floor, long MPE. As you notice, this windows do open. I'm not gonna open them right now. I'll show you around as we are walking. I'm filming at 10:34 at night. I hope my battery doesn't die. It'll be terrible. Here's you. View of the thing, the Coca-Cola vending machine. Anyway, let's head to the center elevator. There's people here. I'm gonna turn the camera down.
Come in there, I thought you were gonna blow it. I was like, how easy is that?
There's the treasure chest. Shell quest. I'm going the wrong way. Excuse me. Treasures. And what right there again? Shell quest. Here you go. Let's open it. Good, it's going down. I'm gonna try to get one by myself. That's why I keep on pushing the button. These elevators are insanely busy. Well, especially the center ones, which I'm on right now, unfortunately. There's a bar park, but it's closed. Go back up forward. Still photo. SpongeBob. That didn't sound good. I wonder why those cords there for. Seem to get the water park. Still full of that. It's closed right now. One's here. No one's in it. Guess we'll get on it. Okay, I'm gonna ring the bell. A double bell. Sign's all covered. There's your door anyway. Still. Try and make my camera still as best as I can. I'm not good at stabilizing, so I apologize. Right over there is the arcade. Wizard of Oz, Jurassic Park. Other than that. Time to go to the east elevator. Got Coca-Cola Freestyle over there. Right over there is bowling. There it is. Oh, I don't recognize a fitness center. I have never seen a fitness center here. Well, as long as I knew this. Another view of the vending. Snacks and drink. Point the camera. Go hide the camera again. Elevator. Excuse me. Nothing to say. Alright, I'll get back in here. I want to say nudge. I'm gonna ring the bell. Both of them ring at the same time. And yet, I just made it. You're killing my ears. And yet, this elevator nudged. Could have gone in earlier. Anyway, here we are at 1. Alright. I'm gonna send it up so you can hear the elevator machine room. Okay, I guess. Time to hear it. sounds the same as the east. I'm gonna take the MTE on my way up. Guess 2 floors. Yes, I skipped steps. Maybe that is it.